Hi, I'm Jen, and welcome. Today, we're diving into a series on the No BS Dental Growth podcast called Ask the Dentist, where we highlight real practice owners and what's actually working in their offices. Today, I'm joined with Dr. Goyal of Goyal Dentistry. And I'm so excited for this conversation because we're going to get into what's working in their practice, what they're focused on for growth, and some real-world insights that other dentists can take and apply right away. Dr. Goyal, thanks so much for joining me.
I'm glad to be here.
Of course. Now let's just dive right in. What's something about your team or office that you're most proud of?
Well, I think it's a good question. And what I'm proud of, this is the culture we have built with the help of Kickstarter. And everyone in our office genuinely cares about our patients and take pride in their work. And we focus on treating patients like family, and that shows our commitment and trust our patients have in us. And the team support each other, they communicate well in between each other and with the patient, and that makes things a lot easier. Systems to work smoothly, and it just we're always looking to enhance and make the patient experience better in our practice.
Yes, no, that's so true. Just communication is such a big thing, especially being a practice owner and just the office dynamic for everything to run smoothly and efficiently. So that's such a good one.
Yeah.
Looking ahead 12 months, what are your biggest goals for your practice?
I think we're projecting around continued growth of our practice while improving our systems and increase efficiency in the scope of care we can provide by including different procedure like full mouth rehabilitation using implants and different restorative procedures and aesthetics, also building systems that allow us to deliver high quality care consistently.
Love that. Looking at your team now, where would you love to see more growth and improvement?
Well, I like to see something they're they're getting more confident in provide clinical care in their growth in their leadership uh, characters. And as our practice grows, everyone should feel empowered to make decisions and communicate effectively with the patients. And investing in their training and professional development is also one of my big focus so that we can definitely consistently improve patient quality and their experience.
Right. I love that. Yeah, you've built out a high quality team, and investing back into them will only show in the office, in your patients, and just everything all around. That's really great. What's one thing that's working really well for your practice right now?
Well, I would I would focus on our patient relationships and clear communication, which was a challenge previously. And with the help of tips from Kickstart, pointers, and our monthly meetings, it has really improved our focus on communications with the patient and meeting expectations of the patient. And when patients understand their treatment and feel heard, they're more comfortable in moving forward with their care. And it helps us build that trust moving forward and creates those long-term relationship not only between the patients and but in between the community. For example, I just saw a retired dentist, and when I asked what got him to choose us in between a pool of dentists, he's just he mentioned the communication we had, the excellence of clinical care we provide, and the clarity of communication we have. So these are the things which really help us to provide excellent care to all our patients.
Right. I absolutely love that. And that's a great example. And it sounds like you're really turning an issue that practices have where you get a lot of I'll think about it patients into high quality patients that are now returning to you time and time again. So that's really, really great. Is there a lesson you've learned recently that you'd love to share with other dentists?
Yeah, and a lot of dentists, they just want to hold on and it's hard for them to let go. So I advise the other dentists to the importance of systems and delegation and to be able to trust their team members and train them what they're lacking so that you can actually increase the confidence in those areas. And a well-trained team and clear system allow your practice to grow and run much more smoothly. So that's what I would go for.
Nice. That's great. It sounds like you're doing a lot of reinvestment into the quality, team members and patients you have already. So that's great. What's one piece of advice you'd love to give other dentists looking to grow their practice?
I believe they should leverage technology and marketing help because you could be the best dentist and most care's dentist in the town, but you have to be able to reach the patients to provide them the excellent care that they deserve. So when the patient feel cared for and it shows when your team is aligned, it really increases that trajectory of growth, and it's a natural progression, it's an organic growth. So that's what I would advise other dentists.
No, that's so true. And you could be the best dentist, but if no one knows about you, what good is it, right?
Yes.
So such good stuff. I can't thank you enough. Dr. Goyal, thank you so much for taking the time to join us today, sharing all your insights. I really appreciate it. Anyone listening, if you're interested on being featured on this series, I'd love to connect with you. You can reach out directly to me with the email in the show description. Thank you again for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next episode.